In this video, I will guide you on how to add your own sounds to Discord server Soundboard. First, open Discord. Make sure to log into your account. Now go to the server where you want to add the sound. Tap on the server name at the top, then open server settings. Next, find and select Soundboard. From here, choose Upload Sound. Then, select Browse and select the sound effect that you want to upload. Keep in mind that Discord Soundboard clips have maximum length of 5 seconds, so make sure your audio file meets the required limit. After selecting your file, enter a name for your sound. You can also choose an emoji, although this is optional. When you're ready, click on Upload. Once the sound has been uploaded, join a voice channel in the server. Open the voice channel options and select Soundboard. You should now see the sound you added. Tap it to play the sound and make sure everything is working correctly. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.